I actually turned wrenches for about 7 years on aircraft. I worked on the F-402 Rolls-Royce 408 Bravo Harrier II jet engine. All military people have proven that they're teachable. They serve their time, they know how to take orders, so their teachability is very, very high. So not only is it something that they would be very good at because of their work ethic, but it's also something that is very attainable. This is an opportunity for them to grow as a person, to get outside of their comfort zone a little bit, but to really just go for it. My name is Eddie Gonzalez, and I'm an admissions representative at the Aviation Institute of Maintenance in Charlotte, North Carolina. The industry is aging out, so essentially a lot of the technicians that are working on aircraft right now are getting closer to that retirement age, so the need for new technicians to come in is definitely growing. It's a must, and it's something that we definitely want to facilitate. At AIM, we really do try and help our veterans. As a veteran myself, I really like the fact that there's a position called the Veteran Affairs Services Coordinator. And what this person does is to make sure veterans have a separate space to connect, to make the transition seamless between military careers and student careers. And for them to understand that they're not alone in the process. More than anything else, I feel like that in itself is one of the golden eggs of AIM. So essentially we bring the prospective student in and we get to know them. We're having a conversation about their goals, their dreams. Having those conversations makes it more real, it makes the relationship develop, and it gives me a sense of what I need to do and how I can go that extra mile to help that person complete the process all the way through graduation. Aviation isn't going anywhere. It's a growing industry. It's worldwide. The opportunities themselves are endless. So whether you want to work in the States, whether you want to work overseas, really working anywhere around the world, to me is a very reachable goal and opportunity that a lot of our graduates are going to have. Now, here at this company, Mr. Yagan, he is a 50-year planner. He is a 100-year planner. He's a man that really wants to look into the future and say, what are the needs going to be? What are the needs right now? And how can we facilitate the needs now to connect to the needs in the future? I think vision is a key part, and the vision at this company is to essentially help people see the potential in themselves and then take that potential and make them into the best self they can possibly be.